It's your boy, Real Estate Investor Sav, back at the zombie house, or what was the zombie house that is now complete and listed for sale. Look at that transformation. Oh my God. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All cleaned up. We got the stairs in. Look at that. The treads, railings, looks so gorgeous. All the trim, window trim. I think we talked about it last time, but everything's cleaned up right now. The kitchen is complete. We have a little overhang there, 12-inch overhang, so you can sit in your breakfast nook. You walk in the door. Look at this open cathedral ceiling concept. We got the fan up. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. We got a little coat hanger there for your winter coats, and all this nice square foot tile, so it can soak up all the moisture when you get in. Appliances are in and working. Brand new stainless steel dishwasher. Somebody walks in here, they're gonna think that this house was like this from the start. Oh my God. On the contrary, all the backsplash in now. Stove, over the range hood, vented to the outside. On this side, we got a beautiful fridge here. And we put this little kind of, I don't know what it is, peninsula island. It's not really an island, but you know, right next to the fridge. So when you come in, you can drop your groceries over here before you load up your fridge. We got the backsplash on the back of that. You know, we got power for your microwave and whatnot. We got extra storage space in this kitchen under the stairs here. Boom. Unfinished, but you know, what more can you ask for? There's a lot of storage space, like a little pantry, if you will. And then this one goes down to the basement that we talked about. We now have our stair railing here, so we can meet our code. Beauty, beauty, beauty. We've actually rebuilt the stairs a little bit in the basement. In the bottom two there, you can see it's brand new. We put in new stringer on the sides there. You can see that where it cuts off, just to reinforce. Because initially when we got this house, there was so much water coming into this basement that it rotted out a lot of the wood on the bottom there. So, you know, all that is now done. Appliances, hot water tank, furnace, all new. Plumbing, all new. Back door, going up the steps. We got now lights. Let's open this up here. Look at that. Boom. We got lights up these stairs. Beauty, beauty, beauty. And we got a light actually on the outside, and that's what this is for. We got an actual light on the outside of the structure. Oh no, sorry, this is the inside. But I know we have a light on the outside, so it must be working off the same switch. There. Electric panel. This house has come so far, and I'm glad to see the end of this project. Let me walk you quickly through the rest of the finishes here in the bedrooms. We got this beautiful, massive his and her closet, you know, and this hallway. Great utilization of space, so you can hang up your coats and whatnot, put your boots in there. All cleaned up, these beautiful bright windows. This house is so bright. It is so bright. I got no lights on in here. It's the middle of the day, and there's light coming in from everywhere. These windows. Great little kids' room. If you got two kids, you know, they get a room each, side by side. Their own little bathroom, right? So 2 bedrooms on the floor, and let's go out to this beautiful new deck. Oh my God, look at that deck. How beautiful is that? Awesome. Brand new AC, excess gravel all around. Look at this deck. Holy smokes. If I'm the buyer, that's where I'm gonna spend a lot of my summer. Coming out that back door. I'm gonna take a video of this once I get my shoes back on and on the other side. But But you got your garage. We got all this soil on the ground, topsoil. Beautiful. It's all seeded. It's all gonna get watered, so we get some grass down here. We got a gate at the back there, a new fence, so you can come in through the alleyway if you ever use that garage, and the driveway all the way down. Look at all that excess gravel we made use of. Oh, there's the light. That's what I was talking about. That's the other light fixture on the outside. The steps to the driveway there, a long driveway. Gutters, fascia, soffit, siding. Brand new house. I love it. I love to see projects come into their fruition after a long time and long effort. You know, hard work comes to fruition, and it looks like this. This is a perfect flip, guys. So what do we take? Well, I'm walking up these stairs, going up to the upper unit here. We started this project in November. It's now June, so it's a little over 7 months, yeah, which kind of seems long. I do have to mention that we lost, I would say, 2 months because of COVID, right? Everything came to a standstill when it came to getting supplies and labor, so that was an issue. So if you take those 2 months away, then we still finished in 5 months, which is not bad for a flip project of this size. This project was huge, right? So that's not too bad. Beautiful ensuite for this bathroom. Mirrors are up. Put some lights on in here. Look at that. Wow. Beauty. I love that mirror. Nice, luxurious feel and look. All tiled. Bathtub. Its own window. And look, we got its own closet. Master closet for this master bedroom. We had the wood floor go all the way in there. Long, but a lot of space. We have a little access hatch to get in there. That's the attic, so-called attic. Oh, we did well on this one, man. We did well on this one. Yep. All right, let's go outside and just walk around the building. I want to show you what we have on the outside. Look at that ceiling. Oh my God. And that'll be the last video for this series for the zombie house. I'm going to put one more up, not a video, but more of a picture, and that'll be the numbers. We're going to talk about the numbers in the next slide, and that's it. So you know how it is. It was a big project. If you want a project like this in Windsor, Ontario, I'm the guy to call. Real Estate Investor Sav. DM me on my Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we get it done for you. All right, talk to you guys soon. Okay, so we're at the back here. As I said, we put in this new fence to make this thing look good. Got rid of the old, crappy, rotten, busted up fence with a gate, so you can get out the side alley, not really used. Now look at that. After all the dig up we did here, all the clay that we moved around, the French drain that we put in here, through coming from all the windows or exits in the building. And we got grass seed down, ready to grow. And this beautiful deck. Here's a tip: if you're doing such a big construction, they usually ask for a separate permit for the deck to build a deck because of the footings and whatnot. But I would recommend you put it in the building permit along with everything else. They try to do us one here in the city of Windsor, where they said that we needed a separate deck, but we fought for that and said it was the original drawings from the architect, so they had to include it, and that's what they did in the end. So we didn't have to do a separate permit, pay separate money, you know, and get separate inspection. It was all part of that one building permit. But look at that beautiful deck. Oh my God. It's actually built by the homeowners, so we didn't have to spend money on that other than materials. So the homeowners actually built that. They're pretty handy. They did a lot of finishes, so saved some money towards the end of the project. Kudos to them. And I would love to sit on that deck with my cup of coffee or beer and enjoy this project. Now that it's done, backfilled all the extra gravel. We have these pavers, so you have a nice place to walk when the grass grows, and this long driveway. There's the homeowner, Val. Say hi, Val. And look what they've done to the front here, how pretty it looks. Curb appeal. We got some hostas there and flowers, some planters hanging, because it's going up for sale today. And we want that curb appeal. The last thing we had to do here, just for you guys to know, is we had to put this railing. There was nothing on this side or this little piece here. You can see the higher piece of railing. There was nothing there. So according to code, if the step is 43 inches and below, you need a railing at least on one side, and that's what this is. And unfortunately, this was a hazard by itself, regardless of, you know, the stair width. You had to put a railing there. The thing is that basically these are old code, and that's the new code. So that's why you have the height difference. That's 36 inches. I think that was 27 or 28 if I'm not mistaken. We didn't want to change all the railing of the house, so we just went with that one piece with the higher railing. But things like that, you live and learn. Okay, so there she goes. That's the end of it. Beautiful, beautiful house. On the market today, June 7th, 2020. Look for it.